Hey guys, today I'll show you how to see your hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss any step. Firstly, let me lock one of my chats. Oh, I almost forgot, that's the only chat I have. If you noticed, our chat is locked and has now become hidden from the timeline. To reveal your locked chat, kindly slide down on the home page of your chat's timeline, and your locked chat should immediately unhide at the top. As you can see, we now have access to our locked chat. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.